Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to explain you genomic mutation. Genomic mutation involve variation in chromosome number of a whole genome. Genomic mutations are two types. One is aneuploidy and other is euploidy. So children, first you see what is euploidy. So this is the aneuploidy, the presence of an abnormal number of chromosomes in a cell. For example, in human beings, normal number of chromosomes is 46. Instead of 46, if the number of chromosomes in the human being is 45 or 47, so that is the example of aneuploidy. It means either there is gain or loss of one or more chromosomes from the normal diploid number of chromosomes. As diploid number of chromosomes are represented by 2n, if there is loss of chromosomes, 2n minus 1 or 2n minus 2. If there is gain in number of chromosomes, so that will be 2n plus 1 or 2n plus 2. So this is the aneuploidy. If there is loss of number of chromosomes, that is called hypoploidy. If there is gain of one or more chromosomes, that is called hyperploidy. So children, you have to keep in mind aneuploidy is of two types: hypoploidy and hyperploidy. Hypoploidy, when one or two individual chromosomes are lost from the normal genome. Hypoploidy of two types: monosomy and nullisomy. Monosomic, loss of a single chromosomes. Monosomic represent the loss of a single chromosomes from the diploid set, and they have the chromosome complement 2n minus 1. 2n is the diploid set, one chromosome is lost, therefore monosomic have 2n minus 1 chromosomes. So monosomic lack one complete chromosomes, and nullisomic lack a single pair of homologous chromosomes. So it is represented by 2n minus 2 because there is loss of a single pair of homologous chromosomes. Diploid number of chromosome is 2n, therefore it is 2n minus 2. Second is hyperploidy. See, hyperploidy, in this there is addition of one or more chromosomes. So hyperploidy is of two types. One is tetrasomic and other is trisomic. These are two types: trisomic and tetrasomic. Trisomic are those organisms that have an extra chromosomes. If one extra chromosomes is coming, that is trisomy. Diploid number of chromosomes is 2n. One extra chromosomes has come, so it represents 2n plus 1. Other is tetrasomic. So the organisms which have an extra pair of homologous chromosomes. extra pair of homologous chromosomes, that is tetrasomic, and number of chromosomes is 2n plus 2. Now next genetic mutation is euploidy. So children, you have to know what is euploidy. Euploidy is a chromosomal variation that involves the entire set of chromosomes in a cell or an organisms. Euploidy is more tolerated in plant than in animals. Euploidy has more than one set of the chromosomes. It is the presence of a complete haploid set of chromosomes in multiples. It means euploidy are diploid, then 2n, triploid 3n, tetraploid 4n. So in the euploidy there is variation involves entire set of the chromosomes. Euploidy is of two types. One is monoploidy and haploidy, other is polyploidy. Monoploids have a single basic set of the chromosomes. Haploids, each chromosome is represented only once, due to which there is no zygote pairing, and all the chromosomes appear as univalent on a metaphase plate. The most important use of haploid is in the production of homozygous diploid. Polyploid, in polyploid each chromosome is represented by more than two homologous. So when more than two set of the chromosomes are, that is polyploidy. Polyploidy are two types. One is autopolyploidy and second is allopolyploidy. Autopolyploids are those polyploids which have the same basic set of the chromosomes multiplied. If diploid species of an organisms have the set of the chromosomes capital A, and when there is autotriploid, the number of chromosomes become triple A, means AAA, and autotetraploid 4A, AAAA. It means in the autopolyploidy, same basic set of the chromosomes are going to be multiply. Allopolyploidy, there is a doubling of chromosome numbers in an F1 hybrids derived from two different species, as there is one species X, other species Y. The diploid set of the chromosomes of species X is AA, and diploid set of the chromosomes of species B is BB. Species Y is BB. And in F1 generation, hybrids have genotype AB. And when there is tetraploid, then double A, double B, AA, BB. So that this is the example of allopolyploidy. So children, I told here about the genomic mutation. In the genomic mutation, there is variation in chromosome number. It is of two types, aneuploidy and euploidy. Aneuploidy is hypoploidy and hyperploidy. Hypoploidy monosomic and nucleosomic. Hyperploidy trisomic and tetrasomic. Euploidy is of two types, monoploidy and polyploidy. Polyploidy is two types, autoploidy and allopolyploidy.